Get the stand ends out of here. Okay, this is coffee this time. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to an unboxing of a DJI Mavic Mini. So if you're new to the channel, my name's Travis and I love to film unboxing videos of cool new gear that I get for filmmaking and photography. If I ever go someplace cool, I'm definitely going to vlog about it. If I learn anything new in Adobe Premiere Elements, I usually film a tutorial. And if I ever do any cool DIY projects around the house, usually assembling IKEA furniture and a lot of smart home stuff, I'll film a tutorial and throw it on the channel here too. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you head down below and smash that subscribe button. So today when I got home, I had a notice on the door from Canada Post that I had a delivery, and I'm pretty sure I know exactly what it is. And in this box, I hope, is a DJI Mavic Mini. And I'm super pumped about this for a lot of reasons. Biggest reason, number one, is I don't need a license to fly it anywhere. And number two, well, it's just smaller and I can take it more places. So if you want to pick yourself up a DJI Mavic Mini, I put a link in the description. So just hit the little arrow that's on one of these sides down here and it expands the description. And you can have a look in there and you will see a link that goes directly to the Amazon page. And if you have Prime and you live in the right city, you could probably get it in a day or even 2 days. So check it out if you want to grab one. Let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so no knife. Just gonna peel the tape back. So this is the Everyday Fly Cam Fly More Combo. Ultralight written right on the box, 249 grams. So here we go. Ta-da! Oh, that's it. It's really small. Huh. So in the rest of the box here, they had air and air. So okay, we'll get rid of that. So it's pretty much does the same thing on both sides. So this is it here. And let's get into the unboxing. Now I need a knife. They've got this like super shrink wrap plastic. Do I have enough nail? Oh, I do. Okay. This opens from the top here. Oh, there's a seal. See, I need a knife. I gotta get myself a really cool knife like all of the other unboxing people seem to have. Just never really been a knife guy. Haha! No knife needed. Sticky. Okay, so we're opening it up. Whoa, wow. That is nice to have. A really stylish looking case. Kind of finished in like a denim material. And then this is an accessory box. Some silica gel. And more accessory boxes. This says battery, so assume that's batteries. Packing material, and that's it. No more left. Okay. So that is packing stuff. We'll throw over here, and let's go into these little boxes one by one. So they have a picture on the box of what they are. So this shows a little charger. have it, DJI. That's it. So all that was in there was that. That's a big box for a little charger. The packing material and all of the engineering and all of this cardboard just to hold that little plug. Okay, I'm a geek, I guess, but like that's crazy. All of that for this. Okay, now this one's batteries. This feels pretty dense, so maybe not a whole lot of wasted space here, no, but still like the engineering into the packing of this thing, I'll tell you. Make sure you look through everything though. Nope. That was just to take up some dead space. Okay. And then in this box here, it says it's manual. So here's all your paperwork. Mavic Mini, quick start, mini, down. Okay. We got this big box here. Is this just a spacer? Let's find out. Oh, haha. Comes with a guard. I forgot about that. So these are the propeller guards. Cool. Actually, totally forgot they were included. So that's pretty awesome. So maybe we can do some indoor flying. All right. I assume la piste de la résistance is actually right inside here. So let's make some room. So again, this is a Fly More combo. So, wow. This thing is tiny. Like, so small. It feels like a little toy. Alright, so that's the DJI Mavic Mini right here. This is the controller. So very similar to the other controllers, except no display here. You can see that. And then your joysticks are down there. Ta-da! And then you screw that in like that. Okay, yeah, very similar to the other Mavic controllers. Mount your phone down here. I've got a really cool mount. I'll put a link below. If you want to use a tablet, I've got a mount that'll work with this as well, that you can use a tablet. And this, I think, only comes with the Fly More, and it is a charging bank for all of the batteries. So this guy here can charge all 3 batteries at once with USB. Looks like it's still the old USB connection on there, but anyway, you've got that. Charge them all. Got your Mavic Mini. And of course, more cardboard. Let's find out what's inside here. Cables. Lots of cables. So these are all your cables for the controllers. So you've got this guy here, which is your USB. This is your cable for charging, I would assume. Another charging cable. Propeller tool. And then in here, they are grouped together. These are all your phone cables. So you should have your Androids and iPhones covered. What you do, you have your cables right here. Ooh, what's in this little guy? Oh! Cool. In case you break or lose your joysticks, they've given you an extra pair. Very nice. I don't know if that's just in the Fly More or not. Let's see what's in here. Ah, and extra propellers. The all-important spare propellers. So looks like they didn't quite give you a full set. They gave you 3, so better than 0, but you got 3 propellers and it looks like new screws as well. So that's one difference with the Mavic Mini versus the Pro, is they give you this little screwdriver here because you need it to replace the propellers. So from a weight perspective, I would assume they took away the quick release mechanism that used to be on the propellers. So now you have these screws that you have to unscrew to replace your props. So props I'll leave in the bags. Put those back in there. Ah, okay, so there's pins on the battery here. Line them up with the pins there. Like so, very easy. Okay, so with the Fly More combo, you get the 3 batteries. You get the triple charger too, which is wicked. And you've got a charging cable here. That goes into the, here, like so. You got your charging brick. That goes into there. Oh, there's plastic on this. Let's see if there's an indicator on here anywhere. Oh, yeah, there it is. You can see you have an indicator on here showing the status of your batteries. So basically each battery bank on here has an indicator. Here, I'll pull this off for a minute. So each of these battery banks have an indicator. So what it's gonna do, it's gonna charge 1 battery at a time, but you can basically set it and forget it. Plug them in overnight and you know all 3 are gonna be fresh and charged by the morning. Extra cable I'm gonna throw in there, controller cables. Okay, and joysticks, prop, actually, change my mind here, I'll put that stuff over here. So can you, yeah, you can't use this case with those attached, So on the front of the Mavic Mini, you do have a protective guard, which is nice. Just snaps off, like so. And it supports the gimbal as well. Yeah, totally. Keeps the gimbal from moving around too. So don't lose this. This is your gimbal lock cover. Nice little feature. Needed feature for sure. This guy here can go literally into a pocket, which is amazing. Folds out similar to a Mavic Pro. So there you go. Fits in the palm of your hand. And in like relation to a cell phone, there's a cell phone, there's a Mavic Mini. Insane. Insane how small this is. So again, phone, oh, hold on. Phone, Mavic Mini. Awesome. So one thing I want to try is putting on the propeller guards. I actually totally forgot it came with them, so I just want to see what's involved and see if I can figure it out without reading the manual. So I'm going to pop it open, like so. So you unclip these here, like so. Just open that up, open this up. So you'll see that one of these is a circle shape and the other one is not quite a circle shape. The not quite a circle shape is the one that the leg goes through. So you'll see your drone has a leg on one side and not on the other. So you put that in like so. Make sure your clips are open. And take your clip around and lock it. Do the same for the other leg. Keep your clip around. Make sure it's locked. So there. So that is a DJI Mavic Mini with propeller guards. So maybe we can try this thing in the house. If I actually get brave enough to try it inside the house, I will. I'll pop it in at the end of this video. When I first got my drone, I got it basically just to film my kids maybe a mountain bike ride here or there, and nature, that kind of thing. So this is gonna do the job for me. I don't need to worry about registering and getting a license. You still have to follow all the rules, like definitely don't fly these things near an airport no matter how much they weigh. Be smart. I think the app actually locks you out if you're near an airport, so that's really cool. I'm super pumped to get out and film some cinematic shots. Hopefully we get some snow and I can head out into the forest and get what I personally love is that fresh snow on trees and get some interesting shots with this. So thanks for watching today. If you want to see some video footage from the DJI Mavic Mini, make sure you head down below, smash that subscribe button because I'm sure to be doing some filming with that soon. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And until next time, take it easy out there. Pretty good coffee. I'm so gonna fly this.